How to clone apps on Android. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to clone applications on Android, you can do that without installing any third-party application, simply using the feature in your settings. So to do that, you first of all want to open up your settings, then scroll down and find the advanced features option. Once you tap on this, you have the option of dual messenger here. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, supported apps will appear here after you install them. At the moment, you have these different applications that you can clone. So, you simply want to toggle on the option of the application you want to clone. So, for example, if you want to do a Facebook, simply toggle this option on, then tap on the install option. Now, a second copy of Facebook will be installed on your device. So, if you head back, so here, as you can see, there is the original Facebook over here and a duplicate one as well. The duplicate one has this orange icon with it. Now, if you tap on this, a fresh version of the Facebook application will be opened over here. You can simply log into your account from here. Now, you can also do that for the other applications such as WhatsApp, Snapchat, Viber as well. If you do not want this application anymore, you can toggle this option off and then uninstall the clone copy of the application as well. And in this way, you can clone apps on Android. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.